Hello everyone, this is Ali. Welcome to another episode of Unity Core. Well, I told you that today I will speak about swimming, and we will do that, but before that I want to show you something that changed the behavior of the tree. If you recall, my jump animation was not working correctly. Well, I tried many things, but finally I found this. Let me make it bigger. Hey, if you remember, I was calling the jump animation from any state and then going back to idle. Well, I tweaked it. I now move from forward, idle, or backward to jump. In theory, that's the same thing, but in reality, the behavior is different. Let me first show you the difference, okay? Let's play the animation. Come on. Okay, if you recall, when I was idling and jumping, when I was coming down, the character would sit on the ground for a few seconds and then moving up. But look at it now. Hey, it's working properly now. Same thing happens when I'm walking forward and when I'm walking backward. So why is that? Well, I never used any state before, and I thought that okay, when I'm moving from any state to jump and then jump back to idle, the transitions would compute correctly. What do I mean by transitions? Well, you see this here, the curves. This curve up until this point is forward locomotion. The second curve that we see is the jump. If I move the jump back and forward, you see that the curves are matching. Now, I moved it so that when this curve comes down and the second curves want to come up, they match. So if I scrub, I will see that transition here, okay? Black screen. Okay. You see, we are moving to the jump very nicely and then moving back. Okay? And this is the end of the jump, and then, of course, the transition is this guy. Jump to idle. You see that this is the jump, and we are idling easily. The way I done that is that I focused here, and again, if you see, these two matches perfectly, okay? The idle to jump, however, you see that the curves are not matching properly. No matter how much I tweak the jump back and forth. And here is the transition. This is what's going on, okay? If I try to move it like this, you will see that again, no much change, okay? So I moved it back like this because this is the start of our blending, and this curves fits nicely. Same goes for backward to jump. This guy is a bit more complicated. You see that, yeah, that I don't like it. So I can tweak it like this. Now if I look at my curve, I see a better behavior, okay? So why is any state to jump not working? Because when you transit on any state to jump, Unity can't do this transition properly for the state you are to the jump by himself, causing the problems there. This, however, works perfectly. The animation is the same. As you see, the conditions are the same: jump, 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 and exit time of 68 here, because I moved that. It was 90 or something like that, 0.9 I mean. Now it's 0.68 and it works, okay? The code is not changed. So let's back and speak about swimming now. Before I start to speak about swimming, let's speak about what is sub-state machine. Well, the thing that you are seeing here, these four states, indicate a state machine. Okay, this is a state machine. A sub-state machine is a state machine within another state machine. Base layer for itself is a state machine. So when I'm adding another sub-state machine, means that here I can use any state machine, and you can see that we can start from any state and go back to base layer. That is another, as you see the icon, it's a sub-state machine icon. It indicates that base layer is a state machine for itself. Now, how do we go inside and outside before doing any transition from here to sub-state machine? You need, oh, by the way, I don't recall if I told you this or not. For going inside any blend tree or sub-state machine, you need to double click on them, okay? Now here, I need to have something. Let's create an empty state. Let's do it this way this time. I will call this empty state idle, okay? Then I will go for another blend tree, maybe. Let's take a look at swimming animations that I have. Come on. So I have swim. That is the idle swim, I think. Yep. Then I go backwards, forwards, left, and right. Okay. So I can't have blend trees. That's irrelevant. So I will add four state machines, four empty states here. Empty. Okay. Call them. This will be forward with capital F. This one will be backward. This will be right, and this will be left. Okay. Now, the transitions. I will go from idle to forward when the speed is greater than 0.001. I will go from idle to backwards when the speed is less than 0.001. But this guy is a bit different. I will go here when the speed is less than 0.001 and the speed is greater than -0.001. Why I'm doing this? Because we don't have an equal condition here. This says that if my speed is 0, okay, and the strafe is greater than 0.001, okay, so if I'm not moving forward or backward and I'm moving to the right, I will go to the right. Something similar is going on here. So if the speed is greater than -0.001 and the speed is less than 0.001, this time if strafe is less than -0.001, so I'm going left, okay. And the transition back, of course, here is when speed is less than 0.001. I will go back from here to here if the speed is greater than minus 0.001. I will go back from here to here when the strafe is less than 0.001. Oh, 1 please. And I will go back from here to here if my strafe is greater than minus 0.001. Okay, so we have this state. We are going from idle swimming to idle when the swimming is false. Going back to base layer, we are going from idle, no, not that. We are going from any state to swimming. Come on, to swimming. Oh yeah, you can't do that because you have any state here, you have the same any state here. You should use this one. We go from any state to idle if the swimming is true. Okay, so we have our state machine here now. This is another state machine within another state machine. Okay, I may need to move it here and then do the same thing I had done to the jump. I'm not sure, we will see. Now, how should we tweak the swimming boolean? Well, we have a concept that I call them triggered volumetrics. Okay, we will add a empty game object, or instead of empty, well, let's go with a cube because it has a representative. And instead of doing this like a noob, I will create a cube here. Come on, it won't work. Okay, cube. Please parent here and zero it out. Oh, it's in the same place. Okay, and now move it to the place of the swimming pool that we have down there in the water. Okay, so somewhere like here, here, and more above, or I can say, hey, you know what, zero it out. Okay, so we have the cube in the same place we have the water. Okay, we will scale it on both sides, and it's no matter the scale, we just don't want to see them outside of this place and outside of this place. Okay, and I will move it a bit downward to be right there. Okay, below the water surface a bit, not that much. And I noticed something, that my edge of the water is scaled a bit, maybe. It's good. Okay, so what do I have here is a cube. Okay, and I will call this water, or I will call it swimming trigger. Swimming trigger. Come on! Me and my fingers. Swimming trigger. Okay, and of course we want its box collider to be a trigger. We don't want its mesh. I will add it below the water. Okay, before prefabing it, I want a script here. I need a script here, and inside our, where is it? Oh, I don't have a script. Okay, I will add a folder if I can. Call it trigger volumetrics, and inside here I will add another mono develop and I call it swimming trigger. All we have inside the swimming trigger is two private methods. One, private void on trigger enter, that needs a collider called other, and another one on trigger exit. Okay, now inside of RPG motor I will add another public variable, but it will be a boolean called is swimming, and it's a property. In swimming trigger, first we check if other dot get component RPG motor. Okay, so if we don't have that, if not that, then we return because we don't have anything to do. Otherwise we say other dot get component RPG player motor dot is swimming equals true. We will do the same thing when we exit this trigger, but we change this guy to false. Okay, in animator we need to do some other stuff here too. So first we add a public method here public void swim, and here we say animator dot set boolean. The boolean we want is swimming, and what is do I spell it wrong? Anyway, the boolean that we want, come on, compile it, please, be nice. Come on. Okay, the boolean we are looking for, Unity froze. Come on. The boolean we are looking for is this swimming here. So yeah, I think I'm spelling it wrong. Anyway, and the boolean we want is the RPG player motor instance is swimming. Okay, so all we do is that we take the swimming we set here and we call, okay, you know, do that for us. And here we say RPG animator dot instance dot swim. Same thing when we are exiting it. That's all we need to handle the swimming inside the code. We have to do something here in RPG motor. When we are applying the gravity, we don't want, if not is swimming, do this. We don't want the gravity to be added when we are swimming, because then we will go down inside the water. We don't want that. So if we are not swimming, then apply the gravity. Okay? Going back, let it compile. The compiling of the scripts in 4.6 is too slow. I'm not sure why. Anyway, now inside the swimming we just need to assign animations, okay? And we have the animations here. So swimming idle is the swim, forward is swimming forward, backward is swimming backward, right is swim to the right, and left is swim left. Let's see if this works. And to see if it's working or not, I need to do a very drastic thing. Come on. I don't have control when I'm sliding. I hate it. Anyway, that's natural. And here is what I'm talking about, penetrating the ground sometimes. You see, sometimes when I'm doing this slowly, you will see a blue, like that. Yeah, you will see that blue line down there. You can't help it. This is one of the... Come on, mouse. Work for me, okay. And no, it's not working. Is it working or is it not working? I'm below the water now. I'm sure of that. Yeah, I'm below the water now. That's for sure. Yeah, you see this blue line? No matter what I tried, it's there, always there. Yeah, I'm below the water. I would be surprised if it would work the very first time. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on here is very simple. I forgot to add the script here. Yeah. Swimming terrier. Noob, noob, noob. Sorry guys, sometimes happen. Okay, run to the edge. I think this will be a faster route. Where is that curve? Yeah, at least I have the control here. Good, it means that I can move it up. Nice. I was surprised. And we are moving toward that. Oh, look at here. And I'm running, 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 running. Was that really faster than sliding? Not sure. Okay. So here we are. Let's see, walk. Okay. As soon as I hit that volumetric, I'm swimming, okay? I'm swimming, but it's not swimming properly. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's error there, right there. I'm not swimming properly here. But that's for sure. As soon as I leave that volumetric, I should be able to... Come on, come on. That's the wrong behavior there, sir. That's the wrong behavior. Okay, let's debug. First of all, the code. What's going on? Inside swim trigger, untrigger exit collider other. If it doesn't have motor, return. If it has the motor, is swimming is false. And we call the swim. The swim should here. Call this guy. This guy will set that boolean to false. Huh. Let's double check it. Debug.log animator dot get boolean swimming. And you know what, guys? Come on, go to Unity, please. I want to be faster. So where is our player spawn? W, move it here. Where is it now? Come on. Come on, work. Ah! Unity. Work. Somewhere like that, moving it down. Now we are below the space. Yeah, I will do something about this problem later. Frame. Moving it up. Frame. Moving it up. Frame. Moving it up. Frame. There we go. And there are we right beside. Okay, so play it now. There we go. So I'm looking at console. As soon as I hit the water, I should get through. As soon as I get, yeah, and why are you still swimming? Okay, it's here somewhere. If the swimming is false, go back to idle. That's the case, guy. Why are you not cooperating with me? If swimming is true, so we shouldn't stay in here. Okay, one thing, before doing anything else, I want to move it a bit higher. So let's see. Okay. Am I getting still through? Still not? Okay. This is interesting. This is interesting. Okay, One thing's for sure, my volumetric is in the wrong place. So scale it back, okay, a bit more, and go. Okay, now why is it not cooperating? Any state means any state, sir. So from any state I am in, I will go to swimming idle if I'm swimming, and I will get out of here. Oh yeah, here we go. That's the problem. Make a transition from here to idle if the swimming became false. Make transition from here to idle. Yeah, I hate that, but that's the only way, I think. If swimming is getting false, and to idle if the swimming gets false. What do you mean not null? Swimming is false. So if I choose it to, oh, I can move it. Interesting. Okay, to make it a bit interesting and easier to read, something like this. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it is now. Let's try it in the game. So no matter what state I am in, I should hit swimming now. I'm not swimming now. Why I'm not swimming? Because I don't get the true trigger now. Okay, one thing's for sure. I need to scale up my volumetric first. A lot, something like that. That's one thing. And still not getting that. Why is that? Because I'm still out of that. But now I'm getting through. Okay, I'm idle swimming. The swimming behavior is not working properly anyway. But as soon as I get out, I should get back to, come on, move it. Yeah, I'm walking, okay? And this is wrong because we don't have a strafe yet. But anyway, and my mouse is not working now. Interesting. Why it's not working? Why the camera is not following us? So we broke the camera script somehow. Wow. Okay, one more thing to add. In here, and not other dot get component RPG camera. Ah, no. Okay. Why did we broke the camera? I'm not sure. No. It should add the component here first. Yeah, okay. One thing before doing that. Scale it a bit more. Of course, this is on-event train. I would have to duplicate this trigger and put it in different places, but meh, we want to have the behavior working first. So as soon as I enter this trigger, now I'm swimming. Okay. Back, forth, none of them work. Okay. But now I'm idling and I don't lose the camera this time. Okay. Hey, I said run. Okay. There we go. And again. Yeah. And we still have the gravity. God damn it. Why do I go down? Beats me. But we have the gravity. And I'm still swimming, so I shouldn't have the gravity there. That's one thing. Let's check it. If is not swimming, apply the gravity. Well, instead of debugging it here, let's debug it every frame. That's one thing. I didn't do the R&D on swimming because I thought it was easy. So we are false. Now we are true. Still true, and we are going down. Why? That's maybe a reason for that, you know. And the run speed is working or not? No. And we are idling now. Okay, come on. One more thing to debug. And we know that this debug is working, so where was that? So we are swimming. Okay, this is interesting. Our move direction is not going down, but the character is going down. You see? Okay. What do we have on the character? Is there any rigid body? I don't recall. Character controller. No, it's not a rigid body. Then why are you still going down? God damn it. Let's go back to RPG motor. Come on, 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 come on. Code, okay. RPG motor. Okay. And not is streaming. We do this and player control. Then X input Y. Okay. If not swimming, then no. Let's do this. Okay. Did it fix the problem? Oh, hell. Now I can't use the keyboard at all. Okay. That was the result of using it here, I think. No. It's here. Else grounded equals true. So when we are swimming, we always indicate that we are grounded. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's the problem with using a prefabricated script for moving players, etc. And no, we don't have the control yet. What did I change in the code? So we are saying that now we are grounded. Okay, if we are not on the slope anyway. We are not falling anyway. No, not and. If this or is swimming, and we remove all of that, we put it back here. So we hit the volumetric. Okay, now we are swimming, and yeah, we are going down. Okay, god damn it. But you notice that our move direction is not changing, indicating that the gravity is not being applied. So all the code that is bothering us is this line. Let's see what is this line. It says grounded equals controller.move direction and collision flag below is not equals to 0. Okay, we don't want to move the controller downward. That is, we are not swimming. Else, let's try it different way. We use just this part. What now? Oh yeah, we forgot a parenthesis here. Okay, because our move direction has not changed the Y, so we can use that. And we are goddammit going down again. Move direction. Oh yeah. Else. We say move direction dot y equals to 0 because we don't want to go down. Yeah, that's the whole point here. We have a negative number, goddammit, that's moving us downward, and we are constantly hitting the floor, so we don't go down below the floor. But let's see. Let me see if it works, then speak. Okay, yeah, that's the case. And you see now that the geometry is way up there. At least now we know that this is the reason. Okay, so we defined the gravity. Let's move it here. Okay. And we are using our, as you see, the gravity again, but as we hit it, the move direction is not working again anymore. Okay, because we set it first, but then we reset it. Okay. What is going on? Let's move it again. So, first of all, nothing had changed on this part. Okay, nothing. Then here we say if we are not grounded, because when we are swimming we won't hit the ground. and we are not swimming, then we are falling. That's one part. Now if we have air control and player has the control and we are swimming, we don't need this part anymore. This part of code should be as before. Okay, now when we are going to apply the gravity, first we calculate the gravity if we are not swimming. Okay, then if we are not swimming, we set the normal grounded and move direction for our character. If we are swimming, we want to reset the move direction of the character on the Y to 0, so we don't go down, then move the character controller to that point. Okay, one more thing that we need here is in update. I forgot that part. After all of this, we say if is swimming, we say speed equals to a new variable called swimming speed, and we define that variable as a field, not local but field, float, and it's public. And let's move it up. God, I love resharper. Run speed, backward speed. Okay, walk speed is equal to 6. Let's make it something like 4. Bit slower than walk. That's all to swimming trigger, and yeah, everything is working, and we avoid collecting the camera collision because we don't want to reset anything when we move the camera around. Now coming back to few problems we have. First, we need to scale it down. We need to still below there, but we need to move it to the same height of water almost, and we can test it again. Still too high, huh? Well, what am I focused on? Player and the swimming trigger. Yeah, of course it's a bit high, not a bit but too much, so moving it down somewhere around this Y and repositioning the Y, and let's use the mesh renderer so that I can see where it is. It's right there, maybe a bit more below. Okay, now play. And we are swimming properly now. Okay, so this is one part of it, and you see that I can still go below. No, I can't go. Yeah, sometimes I can go below water. I'm not sure why. Anyway, because I'm not restricting the camera. Now, and I don't like it because now as soon as I hit the left mouse, it resets instant. I will work on that later, but let's fix first the purpose of this video why we are not moving here properly. Well, okay, forward, backward, and we say from idle to forward when the speed is greater than that, true, and it's backward, okay, forward, is this, so if I move forward, yeah, I'm doing the forward animation to some extent, really, not properly, but to some extent. No, not even close. Not even close. Okay. So, what is the problem here? Let's nuke this substate machine completely. Delete, sir. Let's do it with empty states and see if it works. Empty, 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 and empty. That sub-state machine should work if we are swimming. Go to idle swim. So we call it idle swimming. If now we need to do two things. If we are swimming, no, delete this. If we are, can it be the case? No, it can't be the case. Anyway, if we are swimming, if the speed is greater than 0.001, if the strafe is less than 0.001, and if the strafe is greater than minus. So if we are not moving left or right, we are moving forward, and here this guy is swim forward. If we are swimming, if our speed is less than minus 0.001, if the strafe is less than is greater than minus 0.001, and if the strafe is less than 0.001, then we go to backward swing. This should not be the case anyway. This is right swim right. This is swim left. Okay. Making transition here. If we are swimming, if our strafe is greater than 0.001, if our speed is less than 0.001, and if our speed is greater than minus 0.001. Oh god, it shouldn't be like this anyway. Can I use a blend tree here? Let's see. I will add a blend tree. I will go into this blend tree when I'm swimming. I will back when I'm not swimming. Now this blend tree, I will try something different. I will make it to the simple directional. Add a motion field on 0, 0. Add another motion field, and you see now the graph. The second one is a strafe. So this is X, this is Y. Another one. So if the speed is 0 but the strafe is 1 or -1, add another one, -1, and another one for 1 and 0. Okay. Going to assets, animations, stream. Okay, now let's put the animations. So position X, position Y equals 0, 0 means that speed is 0, strafe is 0, so we are idle swimming. Now if we are not moving back and forth, then we are moving to the right, so it's swimming right. The opposite side is swimming left. If we are moving back, then it's swimming backward. And finally the last one is swimming forward. Okay? Now we can check this animation by playing it, and we see that we are idling. If we are moving forward, we are moving forward, backward, we are moving backward, and let's put it to 0. If we are moving to the right, we are moving to the right. If we are moving to the left, we are moving to the left. And we have a very nice presentation here about what's going on. That red dot is presenting our current numbers, and etc, etc, etc. So let's test it in the game. Okay, so what we have here is that we said go to this blend tree if we are swimming, come out of the blend tree if we are not swimming. This should work no matter what. So let's try it. Okay, we are idle swimming. We are swimming forward, nice. We are swimming backward, nice. We are moving to the right, nice. We are moving to the left, nice. So to the blend tree. Okay, in next episode I think I can change this guy to another 2D blend tree. And if you recall, I can move forward, I can move backward, but my left and right is not working yet because we have nothing here. Instead of waiting for the next episode, what the hell, let's do this here now. So I will add another blend tree, make it called locomotion, and going inside it will be a 2D simple directional. We will add a motion field here, and of course we need forward, backward, left and right. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, -1, 1, come on, 0, 0 I said, and -1 and 0. Okay, going back to our animations, to the walk and to the idles. So our idle, because 0, 0 is idle, okay, you know that. And then in walks, walk right is 0, 1, walk left, no, walk left is 0, -1, and if we are moving forward, we are walking. Oh, do we have any more walk forward? No? Okay. Walk forward. If you are moving backward, is it? No, walk forward. No, ninja. Ninja walk. Ninja walk forward. Ninja walk back here. Okay, so walk forward, walk backward, walk left, walk right. These are wrong, sir. So we need 2 motions, and you will see that I will move forward and I will move right. I will move forward, I will move left. I can move backward and right, and of course backward and left. Okay, so back left is this guy, back right is this guy, right left, let's see if we have it, walk back, yeah, we have it. Okay, walk left is this guy, walk right is this guy, but these two are strafes, so strafe left and strafe right. Okay, now going back into our base layer, we can right click and make it default. We can nuke the idle now, make transition from here to here if we are swimming, and back if we are not swimming. Make here from here to jump, and when we say jump, make transition back when the animation is done. Okay, let's see if it works. I'm not sure about the last part because I didn't try removing the idle before. Let's see. So first of all, we should start with idle now, and of course we're idling, hitting the jump. Oh, okay, not bad. We have the same problem as before. Okay, walking back left, wrong animation there. This is not working. This is not working. This is not working. This is not working. Okay, so locomotion, what's going on? Let's see. Let me see. Pause the animation. Come on, not play. And 0, 0 is idle. Okay, if we are not moving forward or backward and we are moving right, so we can test that. Oh, because we are speed, no sir, we are speed strafe. That was the wrong key there. At least now everything on walking should work except the jump. So walk forward, walk backward, left and right, walk forward, left and right is not working anyway, right, left. Okay, now walk Right. What is this guy doing? Is this. As I said in previous episode, my character controller seems to restrict these two anyway, but that's not a problem. The problem we had is the jump. Okay, we will put back the idle here and you will see that it will work. Okay, set it back to default and we move here. If our speed is greater than 0.001, now I will do something different. I will make another transition. This is the OR way, okay? So we say if speed is less than 001 negative, another one transition, or in other words, our strafe is greater than 0.001. Another one if the last one, our strafe is less than minus 0.001. So we are saying if we are moving forward, oh, sorry, what did I do wrong? If you are moving right, if you are moving back, if you are moving right, yeah, left, and if you are moving forward. So speed is greater than 0.001. If any of them happened, means that we are not idling. So go to locomotion. Make transition back to idle when first the speed is greater than minus 0.001 and the speed is less than 0.001 and the strafe is less than right and the strafe is greater than left. If all these conditions happened, this means that we are idling. So we are going back to idle. Make transition to here if you are swimming. Make transition back if we are not swimming. Okay? Make transition to idle, to jump, sorry, if you are doing jump, and make transition back if we are not. No, we don't need that. Okay, so in locomotion, I think I can take off the idle now. Let's see if it works. So we should start with idle. And of course we are idling, okay? If I move forward, I'm moving forward, backward, move backward, left, backward, right, moving forward, right, forward, left, of course it's bugged, right, left, jump is okay, jump is okay, jump is okay, jump is okay. Okay? Moving forward, right, jump is okay, moving forward, left, jump is okay, moving backward, left, jump is okay, and the opposite one, jump is okay. So this is new state machine here, okay? And we saw that the swimming is working. One thing that I didn't check now is that if I'm inside the water, would the jump work? We should not have that. Okay? So I'm swimming. If I hit space, nothing happens. And swimming, why is it doing this? Is behaving wrong. This is behaving wrong. a bit now. Oh, one thing I forgot. We don't go from idle to locomotion. Oh, we don't need that this time. We don't need this. Okay. Okay. In all these conditions, we will add another, and we say if swimming is false. Just a sanity check, you know. Swimming is false. No, add. Swimming is false. And the last one, add. Swimming is false. So we won't go into normal locomotion when we are swimming. Okay? Now hit play. And we are swimming normally now. Swimming backward normally. Swimming right. Swimming left. And no matter how much I hit the space key, I won't do any jump. Good. And there we go. We have all the animations in place. But one thing I noticed is that now I lost the running, okay? Because I didn't, you see, I'm running, I'm walking, running, walking. I lost running because in this guy we are all using walking and speed is not added there. How can I solve that? Well, position speed. Instead of this, I can use 6. This will be 4. This will be 6 and 6 and 4 and 4. These are walk speeds, okay? And of course 4 here. So will this work? Let's try it. As you see, I'm still walking as normal. And 4, walk back right, walk back right, walk right, 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 walk. Okay, my strafe is working. I missed something on the little strafe left. Why is it not working? It's 0, sir. Play the animation. So strafing to the left is not working. Strafing to the right is working. Strafing to the left is not working. Why? 0 minus 1. Sir, it's strafe left. And our speed is 4, 6. Okay. So okay, the strafe is 6. That's the reason, because even though Even though that we are not walking here, no, I lost it. Okay, that's not the case. 0. Let's add the idle here too. That is 0, 0. I'm not sure it will solve anything. Idle, please. So, yeah. Parameters. Yeah, of course I lost all the parameters. Less than 180 degree aspect. What the hell? Come on. I lost everything. And where the hell did that controller gone? I closed it. Locomotion. Speed strafe. Okay. Come on. It's less than 180. Oh. Walk. The one. Walk -1. Walk right 1. Walk left 1. Back -1. -1. I forgot something. I forgot a very important thing. That is, these numbers are not representative of the speed reality. These are our velocity, naturally. So I should go went back to the normal stuff. Yeah, right and left. Okay, so we lost the run. No worries, because here in conditions we are checking if it's greater than 001. So even if it's going to run a speed, we are going to this locomotion. Okay. Is there another way, sir? Yes, there is another way. The way we have it is to put stuff like this, and that would be for next episode. I will make a blend tree. Okay, or I should change this to a simple directional, and I will remove every one of these. Delete, 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 and delete. I will add 2 blend trees. One will be walk. The other one will be run. And these 2 will be 2D simpler. And of course they will be on speed and strafe, both of them. And all of them will have forward, backward, left, right, forward left, forward right, backward left, and backward right. So 6 inside each. Okay. And God, I hate this thing happening every time, because now I can't see the bottom one and I can move these guys around. Anyway, so This is walk. I'll finish the walk. So forward, backward, forward, right, forward, left, backward, right, backward, left, just right, and no, 0 and left. Okay, so we have that, and I will put the animations there. I will finish this episode there because already near 1 hour 30 minutes. Idle, we don't have that here. Walks. So if we are forward walking, it's this guy. If we are going back, is this guy. If we are going back left, is this guy. Back right is this guy. And you see, as I add animations to these, there are circles around them. Walk left is this guy. Walk right is this guy. Strafe left is this guy, and strafe right is this right. Okay, so I have the animations back. Now if I play, I should see the same thing first. Now, so idle. Ouch, Y is not working. Backward is working, right is working, left is working, walk forward is 1 and 0. Ah, come on, why not working now? Because in blend tree here I forgot something. This guy is 6 and this guy is 11, so first add 11 here and stop, make this guy 6, not 0. So play now. I should stay on walk now, and god damn it, automatic threshold. So now I should walk forward and I should walk, and I'm walking. Okay, walking back. Yep, we had the same thing. Now as soon as I hit run, I will come into this guy. Let's finish it. What the hell? So 1. Oh, it's too simple. Yeah, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I'm running forward, if I'm running backward, running forward right, running backward right, no, let's see, running, sorry, forward left, running backward right, and running backward left, and running just right and running just left. Anyway, okay, so this should be 0. Now for these animations, of course we will have just running for forward. For backs and for strafe I will use the same animations. So this is strafe left, this is a strafe right, this is back right, this is back left. Now let's take a look at run. see if I have anything there. Run forward left, run forward right. The backward is again just walk back. Okay, now let's see if it works. Come on, work, and I close this episode. 1 hour 30 minutes. So hitting run and running forward right, forward left, backward left, backward right, right and left, and that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so just come on, you see, when I'm coming from backward to forward, I lose the running. That's inside the code. It's something wrong in the code, and it's here. Okay, I should say else, and I should use the same code here. Okay, let's see if it works. Because the thing is, when I was moving backward, I set the speed to backward, but I didn't do anything about when I'm moving forward again. So hitting backward, forward, come on, I didn't say run, and I'm running. Okay, again, wrong place of the code. Yeah, let's see. I should say else, and I will remove all of this code here, and I should move all of it in top here. Let's see if it works now. So walking, running, and now if I walk back, walking back, if I hit forward again, I'm walking, and I need to double tap the run, so it didn't help. So we have iShoot here. Else speed equals to run speed, I still have issues because I'm checking the speed, I'm resetting the speed after I check this guy. So move it up. Okay. So what we should see is, now we should start with walking speed, because is running is set to false now. True. As soon as I hit R, I should see running. As soon as I hit backward, I'm backward walking, but I have the run speed because it's is running is true and true. And if I hit R now, and I'm walking. There we go. So let's take a look at the final code here. First we check if we are not running, then we are walking. If we are running, we are running. If we hit backward speed, then we check. Yeah, we don't need this else here. This should not be the case. Okay. So if we hit backward, then we set the speed to backward, and then we check the toggle run. If is greater than or equal to 0, we do this check to toggle the run. Okay, so we don't fall, we don't reset this guy again and again and again. Let's see if that works, and I think I can move that guy below this. Let's see. Then we wouldn't need this check again. So let's move that down. Let's remove this line of code. Let's see if it works. Alt tab, play. So I'm trying to quit this episode before 1 hour 45 minutes. Walk back, run, walk back, run, and walk. And if I walk back and hit run, and I'm running. Okay, everything's working. So final code on this part. No, wrong key, Shift Tab. Okay. So first we are checking if we are not running, then we set the speed to walk. If we are running, then we are running the speed. We check if we hit the toggle to toggle the speed between them. And finally we check if we are walking back. We finally set the walk to back speed. And when we are not hitting back, we are again setting the speed to the proper one. And we check if we hit R key again. This is the final code here. And our tree became like this. So let's speak about what happened in this episode, because it was lots of going back and forth. First, I tried a substate machine for swimming. It was not working. So I used a 2D blend tree to move from idle swimming to forward, backward, right and left based on speed and strafe. Okay, we transit there when we are swimming and transit back when we are not swimming. Then we use the same principle here in locomotion. But in locomotion, first we want to define if we are walking or running. Okay, so it's a simple 1D that sets from walking to running. If we are walking, then we use another 2D simplified to walk around properly. And if we are running forward, but for strafe and backward, I use walking animations. If you have any animation for running back and strafing when you are running, then you can use those animations here. One last thing that you may notice is that is not related to any of these. When I'm walking, I'm sliding a little. Okay, that's not related to any of these. That's related to our character and RPG motor settings. So in here, walk speed 6, no sir, 4, backward maybe 3, I'm not sure, a little slower. Now swimming 3, yeah, backward 2. Okay, and run speed was okay. So if I play now, it won't fall properly because now I need to tweak stuff. When you ever tweak the walk speed here, come on, you need to, and I know get null reference why, I'm not sure, you'll check it later. You need to come back here, and in locomotion we need to change this number to 4 again. Okay, I should find a way to tweak these numbers on runtime. That would be interesting. And we are not sliding anymore. Okay, backward is a bit slower. Well, I think the backward speed is okay. Yeah, the forward is okay again. No sliding. Good. And what is this null reference? Let's track it for a second there. Oh, I got a null reference, come on. Don't collapse. Now I don't get it. Was it because I was opening these behavior trees at running time? Yeah, I think that was the case, because at the runtime, when we start the game, the speed is 0, okay? And we don't have anything for this center point. We can add the idle here. You see, now that I opened it, I will get that null reference. Come on. And that's why the game, no, didn't get the null reference. And you see, I'm not sure what was that null reference. Maybe a bug of Unity 4.6 beta 9, whatever, because yeah, no problem there. Okay, so this is our final blend tree. We are moving from idle to locomotion in 3 different conditions. Okay, when you use 3 or 4 transitions, you get OR conditions, this or this or this or this. And from locomotion to jump, when we are jumping, from idle to jump when we are jumping, from idle to swim and swim back to idle. We don't move from swim to locomotion because that's not the correct way. Now I have a bit of concern because I had seen it happen 1 or 2 times. We have still 1.5 minutes for a single test. When I go to swimming, okay, I'm swimming, okay, and when I go back outside, you may notice something though. No, that's okay. Okay, that's the thing, that when I'm moving, and if I don't keep my mouse up, sorry, if I don't move my hand up from W and go to idle and then go to swim, nothing works. The reason is that we are not transitioning from locomotion to swim. So final thing, if, sir, we are swimming, no matter what, go to the swim, okay? That should end up this episode. Come on, 30 seconds, come on, go, 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 go. And we are running, I won't take my hand up from W, and we are swimming. Okay? That's easy as that. That's easy as that. A bit long episode, but many things happened in this episode. First, I spoke about why you should keep jump from 2 different states and not any state. We spoke about swimming. We spoke about 2D simple directionals and what's the meaning of X and Y and how you can handle them. These numbers are not representative of the real numbers. These are the positions of the max number you get. Then we tweaked our locomotion a bit so that we use 2D directionals again to simplify matters a bit, and we had done a bit of code change to handle the speed correctly. We spoke about swimming trigger, and we handled the swimming in animator here. Okay, now you may ask, hey, you could put this damn thing in the trigger itself. Why you are calling a method? Because, sir, you may want to have audio clips and play those clips here. That's the reason. Or you may want to show any stuff related to these guys. For example, instantiated a particle system when you are jumping, blah blah blah. 1 hour 46 minutes. Sorry for the long episode. See you guys in next episode. That would be cliff climb. I hope I don't get the error I was getting in R&D. Not sure. We'll see. See you guys. Bye bye.